Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be washing my mini twist. So if that sounds like something that you would like to see, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm done wetting my hair and I'm just going to go ahead and start applying my shampoo or my soap. This is what I use as my shampoo, the Dudu Oshun black soap.
Wait, there's no second chance. We messed it up, torn apart in every way, ruined the romance in a slow-mo dance. Now we're going under. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind, mind. 'Cause there's love in acting kind, love in acting kind. I'm gonna get you off my mind. Use air, spill it out. Let me know the things you never spoke about. Our candles have all burned out. Now it's all ashes. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind, mind. 'Cause there's love in acting kind, love in acting kind. I'm gonna get you off my mind. I'm gonna get you off my, I'm gonna get you off my mind, mind. Oh, is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind. Get you off my mind, mind. 'Cause there's love in acting kind, love in acting kind. I'm gonna get you off my mind. I'm gonna get you off my, I'm gonna get you off my mind,
This spray bottle, oh, it feels so good. Like, the water on my scalp feels so good. Oh god, it feels so good. So I'm done applying the shea butter all over my hair, and my hair feels and looks really good. So now, because we want our hair to be smelling nice, I'm going to be applying some mousse. I used this in my last video. If you guys have not watched it, I used it for a wash and go in my last video. So if you guys have not watched that video, I'm going to leave it up in the iCards. And I really liked it. So it made my hair like juicy and moisturized. So I'm going to be using this, the Lota Body Works. Is it Body Works? The Lota Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So I'll just be applying a little, like maybe 2 pumps, 1 or 2 pumps of this, just to add that extra nice smell. Okay, I use 2 pumps to my hair so that it will smell nice. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video.